Welcome to Next Gen Garage. Today, we're diving into the world of pure performance, lightweight design, and British engineering finesse, the all-new 2026 Lotus Elise. This car isn't just an evolution, it's a rebirth of an icon that defined what it means to have a true driver's car. If you're a fan of agility, precision, and minimalist driving pleasure, the new Elise is here to reignite that passion once again. Let's start with what makes the Elise such a legendary name in the first place: lightness. Since its debut in the mid-90s, the Elise has been the embodiment of Lotus's simplify, then add lightness philosophy. And in 2026, that spirit remains at the core. The new Elise rides on Lotus's latest extruded aluminum chassis, which has been re-engineered to be even stiffer and lighter than before. The result? A curb weight that stays impressively below 1,000 kilograms, a rare achievement in today's world of heavy hybrid systems and complex tech. Speaking of power, the 2026 Elise gets a major upgrade under the hood, or rather, behind the seats. Lotus has dropped in a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, developed in collaboration with AMG, the same powerhouse behind the Emira's engine. This compact yet mighty motor delivers around 320 horsepower, which might not sound like supercar territory, until you remember how featherlight the Elise is. That gives it an astonishing power-to-weight ratio and blistering acceleration. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.5 seconds, and the top speed pushes past 170 miles per hour. But numbers alone don't define the Elise, the way it drives does. Every steering input, every corner, every throttle tap feels immediate and alive. Lotus engineers have refined the suspension geometry for even better feedback, with double wishbones at each corner and a focus on perfect balance. The car dances through corners with surgical precision, letting you feel every bit of the road beneath you without punishing harshness. It's a car that rewards skill, but also makes every drive, even a short one, an event. The 2026 redesign also brings the Elise into the modern era visually. It retains that low-slung muscular stance, but now features sharper LED lighting, sculpted air intakes, and a smoother aerodynamic profile. The body panels are crafted from advanced carbon composite materials that improve rigidity while keeping weight minimal. The design feels purposeful, functional, and unmistakably Lotus, compact, aggressive, and aerodynamic from every angle. Inside, the Elise keeps its minimalist DNA but offers a surprising dose of refinement. The exposed aluminum frame, a Lotus hallmark, remains, but the cabin now features higher quality materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon trim. The digital driver display is crisp and configurable, giving essential information without clutter. There's even a small touchscreen infotainment, unit compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, proof that Lotus understands modern drivers without losing sight of its purest focus. Lotus is also offering a lightweight track pack for hardcore enthusiasts. This includes adjustable suspension, performance tires, and carbon bucket seats that shave off even more weight. It's for those who want the Elise to feel like a road-legal race car, because that's exactly what it is. In terms of sustainability, the 2026 Elise takes small but meaningful steps forward. While it's still powered by an internal combustion engine, Lotus has worked to ensure reduced emissions and improved fuel efficiency through new engine mapping and start-stop technology. There's even speculation that a hybrid or fully electric Elise variant could join the lineup in the coming years as part of Lotus's broader electrification plan. The pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but insiders suggest it'll start around $75,000, keeping it competitive with cars like the Porsche 718 Cayman and Alpine A110. But the Elise isn't about comparing specs or luxury features. It's about that raw, unfiltered connection between driver and machine. It's a reminder that performance doesn't need to come with complexity. The 2026 Lotus Elise is more than just a car. It's a statement. In a world where vehicles are getting heavier and more automated, the Elise stands tall as a symbol of simplicity, engagement, and passion. It's proof that driving can still be pure joy. So what do you think? Has Lotus recaptured the spirit of the original Elise? Or has it evolved into something entirely new? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're as excited as we are about the rebirth of this lightweight legend, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more next-gen car reviews, only here on Next Gen Garage.